Hop into the 2010 Lexus IS. With less than 110,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Arrive in style in this exceptional IS. Superbly designed and deeply satisfying to drive, this feature-rich compact luxury sedan has the character you've been looking for. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: moonroof, keyless entry, fog lamps, premium sound system, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, dual zone AC, power driver seat, steering wheel audio controls. Feel energized by the drive in this premium IS. Treat yourself to a road test today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.